question I have is a seaweed soup. Okay, seaweed is one thing that I really enjoy once in a while. It has a high iodine and salt content, natural salt content. And but if you have allergy, just be mindful that this might not be for you. And if this is not something that is in your diet for a long time, I would do just a steady introduction instead of like consuming it all every day. So, start with like the dried seaweed, like the wakame or kumbu, and then, for a basic seaweed soup. So the seaweed, there are two different types. The one that you use for sushi, which is the dry ones that you wrap in sushi rolls. Those are easy to eat. You can take it with you anywhere. It's dry, easy to keep. But the seaweed soup, it's a different seaweed. It's mostly dried seaweed or wakame or kumbu. So they are usually cooked with ginger slices, garlic, and like a vegetable broth. Like we have a sesame oil that we top it with, and then you can optional tofu or mushroom in it. It's not a very hearty soup, but it's a soup that we cook, especially during postpartum, and to help the body to release any extra tissue after giving birth. And this is a simple soup that you can also make during your period to help to flush out any remaining cells or like a tissue from like the period from the lining of the endometrium. So the way you cook it is to soak them first. You must soak the seaweed until soft. You drain it. Usually people do that soaking and draining for like 3 times. And then they cut it into small pieces. They simmer it with ginger and garlic. They put the seaweed in with tofu or mushrooms and then put salt and then finish with the sesame oil. Very simple to make, very simple to eat, and a lot of nutrients. So this soup helps to nourishing, it softens any dryness, it supports the kidney and the minerals, and also deeply grounding. But if you have allergy to shellfish, then this will not be a good good one for you. And you have reaction to shellfish, then just stay away from the seaweed soup.